little minis. How are you? Good, I'm glad. Guess what? Yes, another craft. How exciting. This one's gonna be fun. There's no painting, but there's coloring and there's dirt. So that's always fun, right? Cutting, painting, dirt. I didn't even say cutting to begin with, did I? See, you learn something new every time. Whew, let's do this fun craft. Are you ready? Yes, okay. You might not get super dirty, but just in case, why don't you put something on that is okay to get dirty, or a smock, anything, whatever you're gonna do. Good job. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna see in your kit, well, might not be the first thing, but you are gonna see the directions. We are planting a poem. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna make a little flower poem. It's so cute. So the little poem that I have in your kit is this: a little seed to make me sow, a little earth for me to grow, a little hole, a little pat, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, and in a little while, a little flower. Isn't that the cutest poem? I love it. This is the poem that I have in your kit, but if you want to write your own poem or if you want a different poem, you feel free to put a different poem in there, okay? This is just the cutest little poem that I found that I thought would be super sweet. So this is what we have. So this is what's in your kit. Directions, the little poem. You're gonna have some flower seeds. You're not gonna have a whole pack. I'm just showing this so you know what you're gonna have in there, okay? You're just gonna have some seeds. You are going to have this big ol' popsicle stick. It's not really a popsicle stick, it's more like a tongue depressor stick, but that's okay. It's a big one, okay? You're gonna have one of these. You are going to have this, just a flower. It's called a flower template. And I'm just giving this to you so that you can use it on your piece of cardboard. You're gonna have a piece of cardboard. It's just a random, it's like recycling. Because this is actually recycling month. Did you know that? Earth Day is this month. Okay. So anyway, you're gonna have this piece of cardboard, you're gonna have a little baggie of dirt, and you're gonna have this little tiny flower pot, okay? These are the things you're gonna have to work with. The things you may need from home, you probably will need from home, are gonna be some tape, you're gonna need some scissors, and some markers or crayons, whatever you're gonna wanna use to color with, okay? And really, if you want to paint and it's okay with your big person, you can pull out some paint. Whatever you want to use to color with, okay? First thing that we want to do in our kit here is, you know what? Let's go ahead and color our stick, okay? This is going to be the stem of your flower. So what color do you think a stem of a flower would be? Yes, they're usually green. So I'm going to color mine green. And actually, I already did it, ta-da! And you can color the whole thing, or you can do it the way I did. I just left a little bit because it's gonna be stuck in my pot and we're not gonna see it all anyway. So I colored the top half of my stick green. Then we're gonna wanna take this, excuse me, I'm so sorry. We're gonna wanna take this flower template and this is going to be tricky, but I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You're going to want to cut this out or have a big person help you, okay? And then once it's cut out, you're going to trace it onto this piece of cardboard, okay? Once you have it cut out and traced onto the cardboard, now you're going to cut it out of the cardboard. So you're going to be two cutting duties. But I know you can do this. If you can't, that is okay. Your big person can help you. All you want to do is cut out the flower, a flower shape out of this cardboard, okay? That's your goal. So once you get that done, which I have done, see, I've already cut the shape out. I am just ahead of the game, aren't I? Yes, I am working ahead. Okay, now you can decide what side do you want to put your poem on? Do you want to put it on this side? Or do you want to put it on the other side that's just plain brown? Now, if you put it on the other side, that's totally fine. You can leave it brown, or you can color it, which is what I did. So I decided to color it. Then you can put it on that side if you want, or you can put it on either side and then just leave it so that both sides are colorful. So we can put it on one side and the other side is showing, and either way, both sides will be okay. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our tape, or if you'd rather use glue, you could use glue, whatever you have, okay? But we're gonna take it and we're gonna tape it on there now, okay? I'm using tape. So I'm gonna take my tape and I'm going to tape I'm actually gonna put it on my colorful side. I changed my mind, okay. And you know what else? You know what I didn't tell you was your little poem might be kind of big for your heart, so you may need, or your flower, so you may need to cut it down a little bit too. So there might be a little bit more cutting that you're doing, all right? But it's no big deal. It's just, that one's an easy cut, okay? Straight lines, just do a little bit of cutting because it may be too big for your flower, so cut it down, no big deal. All right, so now that's on there. Now I'm gonna wanna add my flower stem, which is colored. I'm gonna put that on the back here. So see, on the back, I'm gonna tape that right onto the back. More tape. Tape is fun. Tape is fun. Your big person might have to help you get the tape. Sometimes it's hard to get off of the thing here, right? Okay, so now you've made a poem flower, because your little poem is on here and you've decorated this cute little flower. But now we need somewhere to plant it. And that is where our flower pot comes in. Flower pot, look at, it's kind of brown. If you like to leave it like this, go ahead. If you want to take some markers and decorate it, see, I've not done that, you can. You can choose any colors. I'm gonna just take some red maybe. And you can just decorate, because you can draw right on there. Look at that. You can draw right on there. I made a heart. I like hearts and flowers, so when I draw lots of hearts and flowers. Those are my two favorite things to draw. So I made a heart right there. Ta-da! And you can draw all around it if you want. You don't even have to stop there. Okay. I'm just gonna do that for now. I'll probably do more later. Okay, but we have that. Now I want to take my dirt bag and dump it in. There may be a little bit too much dirt, but there is not. Oh, look at that, it's perfect. Okay, so you can dump your whole bag right into the cup, right into there. Just dump it all in. Then we're gonna take the little seeds that you have, which will be in a little baggie for you, okay? That's how you'll know. They're gonna be seeds in a baggie, all right? You don't need to put a lot of seeds into this little cup. If you put too many, then they'll crowd each other and then they can't grow. Too many seeds are not a good thing in one spot. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna plant these seeds. You're gonna take your little finger and you're gonna make just one little hole. Make a little hole with your finger, okay? And then drop your seeds right into that hole and then cover the hole right back up with your finger. You can't even see the seeds anymore, okay? Then plop your flower and you've planted a flower. Don't forget, now have your big person help you water your seeds, but you don't want to put too much water because then that's not good for flowers either. But your big person can help you with that. You want to make sure you keep this in the sun and keep watering it, and then new flowers will grow with your flower poem. It'll be beautiful. If you want to send pictures in, ask your big person, or you can bring it in and show us. That would be amazing too. Either way, have fun making it, guys. Have fun making it. And get outside and play in this gorgeous, gorgeous weather. All right, I will see you guys all at the library, I hope. Bye, everybody.